Welcome back to another episode in the Devlog series of Untitled Stealth Game. Yeah. I'm not going to show my face in this video because I am quarantined and I need a haircut. So you're welcome. Also, I sound a little sick because of allergies. Spoiler alert. If you didn't see the last video, you should totally check it out before watching this one. But in the last video, we made a player character, Jerry, who can walk, fight crime, and store his gifts. Cool. So now that I caught you up, let's get working on some more features. I changed the hotbar colors to have the selected box be bright because I had it the other way around and people told me it looked weird. So yeah. Also, the enemy was looking kind of weird as just a cylinder. So I found a free 3D model of a guard and I animated it. This took me quite a while, but I think it turned out pretty well. Comment what you think. I gave the player character a health bar so that we can see its health. The player can't die for now, but he can lose health. So, I was playing Fortnite the other day and a default skill killed me, so I raged. I threw my controller and it broke my window. That gave me the idea to make windows/glass that can break. From that, we can all learn video games equal raging, which equal ideas. You are probably wondering why you can see the gun shooting, but you can't hear it. Well, here's what it would be like if you could shoot. That's not annoying, right? I was going to make a die animation, but then I watched Danny's 3D Devlog series, and his ragdolls made me go, yes. So now I have to add ragdolls. Yes. Before, if you were close enough to the enemy, it would sense you and attack you. But now it uses some big boy colliders, and it is too confusing for me to understand. Let me try to explain it. If it collides, it will look at the player. If it sees the player, it will attack. Otherwise, it will just keep doing its regular tasks. I did this because I didn't want the guard to be setting off alarms when you get sensed through a wall. I decided to add pickup icons because they are cool. Are you wondering what that clothes icon is? Boom, disguise. You can disguise yourself from other guards. When you kill a guard to take their clothes, we don't want them getting revived. So now you can hide their dead bodies from other guards. I was trying to sleep and I had this cool idea for the final escape sequence. You have to break through a window on the top floor to go on a roof. Then you snipe a guard. Then you climb down a ladder and fight your way to a helicopter. I think it would be cool! Comment your escape sequence ideas. I might make them into a level, you never know. So later, I added a light that will turn red if the alarm is set off. Oh no! I just realized you can't aim your gun. Let's add that. Bam! Now you can aim your gun. To be honest, all my code is so messy. How does it work? I made all these animations for all the different positions. I don't know any other way to aim down and stuff like that, so yeah, it's very messy. So that's pretty much all the progress I made. Wait, no, I forgot the vent. If you find the crowbar, you can open the vent and hide inside it. In the final game, you will be able to move room to room through the vents. Next video, we will work on enemies talking, saying stuff like, over here on a walkie-talkie. So then the other guards can come and they'll all try and attack you. So stay tuned for that. Also, for some reason, YouTube has blocked my comment section last video. I hope they don't do it in this video, but if they do, I'm sorry. Thank you Devin Jenkin, Mini Myth, White Fox, and Dark Lion Games for subscribing. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. If you are kind enough to do so, please like the video and subscribe to this channel if you are new. Also, comment what features you think I should add. I read all my comments. Goodbye and stay safe, not safe. Sorry.